up, my natties? It's your girl Jazzy J in the building. Okay, I'm not in no building. I'm in my townhouse. But you know, that's how they be on the radio station. They be like, it's your boy such and such in the building. Don't mind me. Anywho, so how y'all doing? What up? So this week I am so excited. Wait, pause. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm not even gonna keep y'all long because this week I'm so excited about this right here. Y'all, look. So I started off my series on the As I Am curl color. Last week I did red. Red was popping. I loved it. This week I'm stepping outside of the box a whole lot more than what I usually would. Y'all, I'm doing purple. Royalty. I actually love doing twist outs in my hair. So that's what I'm going to do today. I am going to do a twist out. I think I'm going to do a twist and curl. I was thinking about if I'm going to do a twist out or twist and curl. I think I'm going to do the twist and curl. I am going to use the pomegranate and honey curl smoothie from Mielle Organics, and also the Coil Sculpting Custard. Let's get started.
I am starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair, and I'm having to go in and add my Jamaican black castor oil water from As I Am because my hair was a little dry. I then will begin to apply my stylers, starting off first with the Mielle Organics Curl Smoothie and adding the Coil Sculpting Custard on top. I decided to apply my color a little differently than I did in my first video. I started off by twisting my hair and then leaving a little extra hair at the bottom, and then applying my color and finish twisting and adding my perm rod. I am going to continue with this process throughout the remainder of my hair, and I will come back to show you guys the finished product. Y'all know this video wouldn't be complete without me singing and dancing, right? I had to take me a good old break, and you know, she wants some good old Chick-fil-A ice. You know, that's that blessed ice right there. Finally finished. Now, you know what time it is. Dryer.
Hi guys, I'm back. I am back. So let me tell you. I was about to say, check it, let me tell you. So I love the purple in the sunlight. Like, you could totally see it, like, when the sun is shining. I'm gonna add pictures at the end of the video to show you what it looks like in the sunlight. But like right here, you can very barely see it. Like, it's good because it's subtle and it's not too bold. So I like that. So this is, you know, this is the result. This is what it looks like. Like I said, you know, like for black hair, I wasn't expecting it to be like bold purple, simply because my hair is black. So it's harder to put those bold colors on black hair. But also, the purple of the As I Am is not a bold purple. I love my little hair decor. It's just little rhinestone queen. And of course, you know my edges of all. I love them too. Just my little baby hairs. I don't even know if I could call them baby hairs. Like, I ain't no baby no more. Are they really baby hairs, or are they just edges? Y'all let me know. Are they really baby hairs, or are they just edges at some point? And then, like, I have like my little Black Girl Magic shirt on. Let me show you guys. Okay. I just wanted to show y'all that because, honey, let me tell you. Look, just look at it, y'all. Look at it again. If you're looking for something that's not too bold and not too subtle, I would say go with this. If you're looking for something bold, like real bold, you probably gonna have to go to the salon and get them to do it. You know, they're gonna have to bleach and all that stuff. This week, the word of encouragement, or the words of encouragement, is about letting go of the past. Y'all, look at here. I know we all have a hard time with letting go of the past. Okay? We're always holding on to what could have been, what would have been, what if, right? God is wanting to give us more. He wants to give us the bigger things. He wants to give us the better things. But we keep holding on to the mediocre. Why? Oh, I can tell you why. Because we're fearful that God don't know what's best. We don't trust him. And we feel like he's not going to give us what we want. And most times, if he don't give you what you want, you ain't needed. You ain't needed. You ain't needed, honey. My encouragement today is to let go of the past. Let go of all of the hurt, the disappointments, because it's holding you back from what God is trying to give you in the future that he wants you to have. Like, just let it go. L-I-G it. Let it go. Say it with me now. Let it go. Okay. Oh, let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Hey! You know you got that. The one thing about letting go is, in order for you to get more, you have to release what you have in your hand. You have to let it go. My encouragement, again, is to L-I-G it. Let it go. Let it go. Thanks so much for watching my YouTube video. Thank you to my new subscribers. Y'all are the bomb.com. And my returning subscribers. Y'all the bomb too. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell to get the notifications when I upload my new video. Guys, thank you. I hope y'all have a beautiful week. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and always trust the process. Bye.